Hello and welcome to CRA Diecast for another diecast unboxing. Big shout out to all my subscribers that have joined the channel recently. Hope you're all doing well. And to all of my friends on YouTube, hope you're all doing well as well. Today I'll be doing some premium diecast unboxing, showing you what I've been picking up over the last week or two. It's only about 5 castings, but they're all pretty nice, I think. The first one is from Greenlight, and it's from their California Lowrider series. It's a 1973 Cadillac Coupe de Ville in red. There's also an 89 Caprice, a 72 Sedan de Ville, 71 Monte Carlo, 63 Impala, and 55 Bel Air. So only one that was on the pegs was this Cadillac, so we'll open this one up and have a better look at this one. You can look at Stig while I'm taking this out. It's in a beautiful flat red paint, or non-metallic. It's a big casting. It's got the wire spoke wheels on it, real lowrider stance. It's got a beige interior, chrome trim around the windows and doors, big chrome bumper bar, front and back, and it's got, could be tampoed brake lamps, and some metal body, metal base, copyright 2021, and a nice Cadillac grille. And the split headlamps with the turn signals in between, and the nice Cadillac V and crest on the leading edge of the hood. It does look like it's got an opening hood, but I've tried and it doesn't open, so I won't persist with it because I don't want to scratch the paint. But I've got quite a few of these caddies now in the collection. I do like this casting. She's a big boat. I do love these 60s and 70s land yachts from the US. And then the next one is from Pop Race. It's a Nissan Stage A, or Stage A, R34 wagon. And this one is stunning. Really happy to have this one. It's like a peach or orange colour. And there it is. It's got black roof racks, lots of tampos on it, lensed headlamps and brake lamps, little air wing over the top of the tailgate, really nice chrome alloy wheels. And this is a metal base as well, rubber tyres, but there's no tread. And it's got big twin side mirrors, big air scoop at the front. Yeah, this is stunning. Really heavy, solid casting. Do like those 6-slot rims in silver. Bit of body cladding down the bottom, chin spoiler at the front, and of course she rolls perfectly. Nice Nismo banner on the windshield. So yeah, that was like $30. That was an expensive buy. Nothing's cheap in premium diecast over here. And the next one's also from Pop Race. It's an Aston Martin Vantage GT3 in like gunmetal grey, and that's a beautiful casting as well. They do a great job. This is real premium stuff. Big rear mounted wing, blue rear vision mirrors, nice grey metallic paintwork. You can see the brake discs through the wheels. Some body cladding down the bottom in carbon fibre. And a roll cage all the way through. Big air vents on the hood. Nice blue rear view mirrors. And a lips or chin spoiler. It's got inserted headlamps. Little projector lights through. Single windshield wiper. Don't know what that piece in the roof is for. It's not a sunroof. From the back, oh yeah, great job on the back. Rear diffuser. You can see a better view of the roll cage. They haven't put any reflective pieces in the rear view mirror. But yeah, that's a big rear deck wing. It looks really nice. Really happy with this one. Beautifully detailed. For $30 you'd expect it to be perfect, and it is. And then the next one I got is from Mini GT, and it's of course a new Bentley Continental GT Speed. Love these castings of Bentleys from Mini GT. I've got about 11 or 12 of them now, and this one's in anthracite satin, sort of like a charcoal grey, and there it is. It's gorgeous. There she is, stunning. It's a nice colour. Nice gloss black rims. Soft touch. Yeah, soft touch rubber mirrors. The other two from Pop Rose are solid mirrors, they're not soft touch. This one's got inserted headlamps. Beautiful Bentley grille in gloss black. The winged Bentley logo on the front. And you can see windshield wiper details on the glass. Black trim around the front and rear glass. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Metal body, metal base, and it's rubber tyres, and they've got tread. And it rolls. And nicely inserted brake lamps. Bentley badge and Bentley on the number plate. Yeah, this is beautiful. I try and collect every variation of these, but they are expensive, so I have to pick and choose. And then the last one is from Mini GT and Cato House. It's the Datsun 510 wagon 4x4. It's really lifted, so we'll crack that one open as well. Of course, as I'm filming, a plane goes overhead. Apologies about that. There she is. Comes with a, well, there's two surfboards for the top, but I'll just take it off. It's got roof racks. It's right-hand drive. It's got red seats inside. And a roll cage. Real rubber tyres with tread. Do like these the rims and wheels. Got Nissan lettering on the tyres. fender mounted chrome mirrors, big flared wheel arches, and inserted brake lamps. Nissan colours, red, white and blue. Chin spoiler, inserted headlamps, look like they could be fog lamps, they're yellow. But yeah, I did love the roof rack on the top. Get the other surfboard. But yeah, really nice. Got a few of these, didn't collect them all because they are expensive, and this one was like $35. So I got to pick and choose which one of these castings I'd prefer, and I did like this one. Looks stunning. Very happy to have that. It's only a 2-door as well. So that's my quick little haul. I'll just do a quick overview. Got a really nice Cadillac from Greenlight. The Stagia or Stage A Nissan from Pop Race. A really nice Aston Martin from Pop Race. My beautiful Bentley. And then the really nice Nissan. So thanks very much for dropping by today. Really appreciate you having a look. If you enjoy this little video, hit the thumbs up and share and subscribe. And have a look at Stig up there. He's looking at that Aston Martin, I think. So anyway, thanks very much, and we'll catch you on our future videos. So cheers for now.